Today I'll show you how to put the Samsung Galaxy A12 into Fastboot mode. To get started, power off the device by selecting Power Off and wait for it to turn off. Once it's off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Android logo, let go. You'll be in recovery mode. Use volume keys to navigate and select the second option, Reboot to bootloader, and confirm with the power key. It will enter Fastboot mode and stay like this. That's how you boot into Fastboot mode. To leave it, hold power key and volume down until it disappears. This turns off the device, so hold the power key to turn it back on. We are now back in Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.